Did you know? This influencer doesn't actually exist, but the team behind her is already making real money online. This is what we call an AI influencer. The creators don't need to show their faces, hire a filming crew, or spend big budgets on production. Yet they can still build an audience, get brand deals, and generate income across platforms. Today, let's break down: how exactly do AI influencers make money? An AI influencer is a virtual persona created with AI technology. She can appear in videos, talk, show emotions, promote products, and even interact with audiences, just like a real creator. Some AI influencers even act as digital models in brand ads. By posting these videos on social media or using them in marketing content, creators and brands can earn significant income. The monetization model is actually quite similar to real influencers, but the entry barrier is lower, efficiency higher, and scalability much greater. You can think of an AI influencer as a 24/7 content asset. Create once, and it keeps generating value over time. Here are the most popular and proven ways AI influencers are cashing in today. Build your own AI influencer account. From content to revenue, this is the most common starting point for creators. With JoggAI, you can create your own AI persona and start producing videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to grow your following. Your content can include AI news, business stories, true crime channel, or even video podcasts. Plus, you can use AI tools to produce multi-language versions. For example, with JoggAI's auto translation and voice features to easily create multilingual content.
やっぱり朝はお気に入りのカフェから始めたいよね。
Once your channel gains stable traffic, you can start earning through platform revenue programs like the YouTube Partner Program, TikTok Creator Rewards, and more. This is a classic traffic-to-income model, but the advantage of AI influencers is that you can easily run multiple virtual accounts targeting different languages and audiences at the same time. Unlike real influencers, AI influencers don't need rest, don't face scheduling conflicts, and can instantly adapt their appearance, voice, or language for any market. They can produce content 24/7, stay perfectly on brand, and scale globally without the limits of time, cost, or personal availability. Become a digital spokesperson. More and more brands are partnering with AI influencers as their long-term virtual brand ambassadors or digital narrators. These AI ambassadors can appear in product demo videos, launch campaigns, annual promos, company websites, or even app splash screens. Compared to real shoots, AI-generated content has clear advantages. Up to 90% cost savings, high-quality video in minutes, consistent style, easily scalable, and also can support multi-language localization. For example, your AI influencer can collaborate with brands to promote their products, serve as a brand ambassador, or even star in product ad campaigns.
Okay, besties, I think I just found the foundation we've all been waiting for.
Then instantly localize the same video into English, Spanish, and Chinese. Such collaborations often pay anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per video, turning your virtual persona into a valuable digital asset. Besides, you can offer AI video creation services to brands too. Many startups, e-commerce sellers, and marketing teams are looking for low-cost video solutions. You can become their AI video partner and provide product demo videos, brand promos, corporate introductions, training, or FAQ videos. Once your AI character gains followers or recognition, it can evolve from a content creator to a licensable brand property. Use your AI influencer to earn commissions. If you're an independent creator, this is one of the easiest ways to monetize. Make your AI persona a review-style content creator. Review trending AI tools, gadgets, beauty products, or online courses, and add affiliate links in your video description. Amazon, ClickBank, Grammarly, etc. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. This type of content works great for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Low production cost, high posting frequency, and strong compound returns over time. In short, it's built around 3 key steps. Create AI content assets, scalable, low cost, and multilingual. Use audience and brand collaborations to amplify value. Transform characters and content into long-term digital assets. AI doesn't replace creators, it multiplies their impact. With AI influencers, you can launch multiple virtual brands, create content in different languages, and scale your influence globally. Faster, cheaper, smarter. To build a sustainable AI influencer, focus on a clear persona and consistent voice, valuable, authentic content, ethical AI use, clearly mark AI-generated materials, respect likeness and voice rights, and stay transparent about collaborations. The future of AI content creation is about high efficiency plus high responsibility. AI influencers aren't the future. They're already here, reshaping how we create, connect, and grow. They allow individuals, brands, and entire teams to reach global audiences faster, cheaper, and smarter. So why not start now? Go to JoggAI, create your own AI influencer, and take your first step into AI-powered content monetization. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. I'm Amber, and I'll see you in the next video.